Can I come show this right now, Drew? Good.
6.
Good. And height of the... Good.
24.
Yep. 20-pound dumbbell. Did you get the dumbbell, Michelle? We already do audit, huh? We have 5 5-foot increments here. 5.
Sorry. Yeah, you got that okay?
5 feet. Yeah.
Get it on there and then. Oh, no.
5 feet. Feet. 5 feet.
Right up there. 11.
5 feet. 5 5-foot increments. 25 total. I already got that. 20-inch box. Yeah, I got that. All right. You got it, Renee. Renee, just listen to me, okay? Yeah. Ready? And 10-second countdown in 3, 2, 1. 10, 9, 8. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Good job.
Go. Atta girl. There you go.
39. One more. One more. Get 40. Get 40.
Good job, guys.
Take breaks. You got a minute. 10. Get it. You got it. Get some push. Get some push. Come on. Okay.
That was good, Renee.
10.
Come on, guys, on the handstands. Keep going.
Pick it up and go. 10. 10 and done.
Did you get any, Bree?
I got like 5.
Just do singles, one at a time.
Come on. 2.
Ashley, is there any like trick with like, not trick, are you using anything?
No, no, it's totally strict.
4.
That's it, Renee.
5 more. 6.
Good extension. Good work, guys. Good job. Come on. Come on, guys. Drop, Alex.
10 seconds. Come on. Get up on that. Give me 1. Come on. You got 1. Get it like that. Get it like that. You got time. One more. One more.
Good job, good
You got time. One
job.
more. Good job. That's time.
Good job, guys. We're at 440, Renee. Keep moving, keep moving. Come on, Renee. Pick up the pace. That's it. Keep at the pace, Renee. Keep pushing. One. All right, handstand push-ups. Break, Renee, break. You need a break. Shake it out. You can get back up. I don't care. I just want you to break. Butt off that wall.
Come on, Renee.
Good. Shake it out. Good. Was that 12? 11. All right, Renee, 2 minutes. You're doing great. Keep off. Good job. Good. Quick shake out and back up. You're doing a great job, Renee. Yes. Excellent job. Yes. Good job. You have 90 seconds, Renee. Good. Singles if you need to. Just keep moving. Renee, don't come off the wall too quickly, okay? Up, down. Yeah, there you go. Good. Last minute. Yes. Good job. Don't come off that wall too quickly, Renee. All the way up. Good. Good job. 40 seconds.
Hey. Okay.
Good. Push. Good job. 30 seconds, Renee. Push all the way up. Don't waste the rep. Up, up. Good. Really good job. Really good job, Renee.
8 minutes. Is that what it is? 8 minutes?
8 minutes. 10 minutes.
10 minutes.
Is it 10? Keep going, Renee. Keep going. Is it 10? It's okay. It's okay. It's a good break.
It's okay.
Keep going. Keep going.
You're good.
Did you stop?
Keep going. No.
Okay, she needed the rest.
Keep going.
Let's go, girl. Let's go, girl.
You have 90 seconds.
It's okay.
That's it, Renee. That was a good refresher for you. Good rest. Still have over a minute.
Come on, come on.
Good.
Come on. Push, push.
Yes.
That girl. Yep.
1 minute, Renee.
Push, 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 push.
No rep.
It's all right.
No
it's
rep.
all right.
That's
No
okay.
rep there. It's all right. Shake it out.
Come on, Renee. Push. Yes.
Push, 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 push.
It's okay. Shake it out. Shake it out.
Renee, just hold on. Give me 5
Check it out.
seconds. 4, 3, 2.
Come on, Ray. Push, push, push.
Yes.
There you go.
Good.
Push, 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 push. There you go.
Good
There you
job.
go. Good rep.
Here we go. Push, push.
Up, down.
There you go.
Shake it out and give me
Shake
2.
it out.
Ready? Up. Go. Right now. Right now. Right now. Go, go. 3, 2, 1. Time.
Now I hit that. Yeah. You hit it.
You hit it.